I'm gonna turn this eye sketch into something like this. Like painting, I found that it was helpful to have a paper nearby to mix the colors before putting it on the actual paper. While colored pencils are erasable, it's not super forgiving. For the skin, I used light peach and cream, and now I'm going in with my hot pink and setting down the first layer. Since this little eyeliner bit is going to be lighter pink, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling that in with all the layers that I need to and blending with white. For the longest time, I didn't realize colored pencils were actually layers upon layers and not just pressing hard until your hands hurt and you never want to pick up a colored pencil again. So that being said, I'm going to use processed red and a little bit of hot pink in between. And I think I also was just blending out the skin to make sure it didn't just look like a cut crease. I don't know. They pretty much didn't end up looking as blended as I wanted them to, but I am so much better than I was at using colored pencils, and that was the goal. I detailed the creases in the eyes with black. I wouldn't suggest this, but this is pretty much all I had. I only have 23 colors, so I need to invest later on. I'm adding some little shadows onto these gems here. I could have spent so much more time on them, but it's okay. They are a little sloppy. And then I'm layering some brown, gray, and green for the eyes. I think the actual person has kind of grayish eyes, so sorry, Olga. Now to make the eyes look less stark, we're just gonna add some shadows, add the little cornea. I'm working on getting better at voiceovers because I used to make art videos and I remember someone would always comment, "I wish you would do voiceovers," and so now I'm taking the time. My favorite and most daunting part, the eyelashes. The Evie Glam ones kind of turned out like the faux minx had a fight with a cat and lost, but now we're gonna pretend like we don't see that white line. You're good at ignoring red flags, so you should be okay with this. You were not ready for that, were you? It's okay, I wasn't either. Now for my favorite part that isn't daunting, it's the jelly roll detailing. You can also use white acrylic paint. And here's the finished product. I think it actually ended up looking like Powerpuff Girls. I'm not mad at it, but it wasn't intentional. And I'm sending you love.